Having a little problem starting this thing. Wasn't having any spark. Just put points in here probably less than 6 months ago, and they're burnt. Put points and condenser in it at the same time, and they're burnt already. So gonna go ahead and replace them again. Maybe they'll last longer this time. It's got the right coil on it, the right condenser. Cap was set fine. Just I'm guessing crappy points. I think they're made in China, so what do you expect? I guess it's too much to get points made in the USA, or ask for them if they even make them here anymore. So we'll see. Let me go ahead and get these old ones out of here. I was just going to file them, but they're pretty damn crooked and pockmarked, pitted, so I'm just putting another set in there. They're under warranty, so from Napa, so I didn't spend any money to get a new set. Our points there, I don't know if you can see them real well, but they're kind of pockmarked on the faces there, a little bit uneven as far as the contacts go. So let's stick these other ones back in here, these new ones. Maybe the wrong ones. Two totally different. That's what was in. That's what they gave me. That's what was in there. Two totally different ones. They won't even mount up. So let's head back to Napa again. Using wire type feeler gauge because it's easier for me to use that. Sounds a whole lot better. Especially since it actually starts now. Yep, 20 thousandths. They should be anywhere from 16 to 20. I use 20. I had to get my boy out here to help me set them because I can't see anymore. So I set them. We set them at 20 thousandths. And it sounds a hell of a lot better now. Still need to service loader. We did put some fluid in there. And now I can use what it was intended for, play in the dirt. Got to level some ground on under the shelter over here and towards the back of it. Anyway, that's the points there. They were beyond filing. They were pocked pretty good and crooked where they stuck together at one point.